Do you provide general contractors, or do I have to find a general contractor on my own? In short, we do not provide general contractors. We give you the ability to find whichever general contractor that you'd like to be using to get the project done. We do not have a database of contractors for you to be using because that changes all the time. And so we do have trainings and ways to find good general contractors and ways to vet those contractors. We do show you affordable ways to find reliable contractors. We also provide you with a project manager that helps you before the rehab and after the rehab, or during the rehab, I should say. We also provide project managers that are going to help you with the scope of work, walking through the property on a virtual walkthrough, and also going through as rehab gets done on the property. But in the end, you're responsible for actually finding that contractor, and you're responsible for the work being done on time and on budget. Now, in doing this, we want to make sure that all the values and prices are fair market prices. So if you had to change from one contractor to another contractor, that you could do that without seeing a big price increase. So we want fair market prices on those things. We've also got to make sure that the contractor is following our system with the way bids need to be done and draws need to be done as well. But in the end, you can use any general contractor or subcontractor as long as they are licensed and insured to be doing business where the property is located, and as long as they're able to pull any permits or any other legal requirements that are necessary based upon the scope of work for that specific project.